what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. So today is Saturday and we actually are getting ready to head out. We're gonna be going to, I guess it's like a car show. Honestly, I don't even really know much about it because my husband is the one that wants to go. And I believe it's in Pleasanton somewhere, so it's like about 30 minutes away. So yeah, that's what we have planned for today. Say good morning. Say good morning, everybody. With your little cute outfit, huh? You big boy? Ooh, who's gonna be eating, huh? Wow. What are you eating, huh, baby? Yummy.
Pancake.
Is it good? ¿Está bueno? ¿Está bueno? Oh, he wants sausage.
¿Qué es pancake?
Pancake, huevo y sausage.
Salchicha.
Salchicha y papa. Oh, baby. You're eating good. Are you ready to go, baby? No? You don't want to go? Baby, where is the ice cream?
Ice cream.
Good job. Where is the apple? Apple.
Apple.
Good job. Can you show me where is the elephant? Where's the elephant?
Elephant.
Good job. Where is the frog?
Froggy.
You're so smart, my love. I love you so much. Hey guys, so we are about to head out and me and my son are in the car now. Huh, baby? Say hi. So we're just waiting on my husband. He just had to go to the bathroom, I guess, again, real quick. But we are about to go and I will try vlogging for you guys and just show you around the car show and stuff. See how we like it. I haven't been to a car show in like super long. So I'm just excited for my son to, you know, experience all of this and stuff like that, especially with my husband. He loves anything about cars and all of that. So I'm just so excited that now we get to share all of these memories and experiences with my son. But it is a little windy over here where I live, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be hot over there. So I did put some shorts on my son, and you guys know I'm always wearing sweaters and leggings, so that's what I'm wearing today. What do you smell?
Gasoline.
Is it our gas or what?
No, it's the truck in front of us.
Oh yeah, I smell that. Dominic, are you gonna like cars just like your dad?
No, he's gonna love them.
No, he said no. He said no, Dominic? He's just gonna like to go dancing. He likes to dance. He loves to dance. So we just got here, so we're gonna be going inside. Good guys.
Oh, that's that
So this is like my husband's Louis Vuitton, Chanel stores. This is his Louis Vuitton store.
What kind of car?
All of this stuff. He loves it. Truck. These are the ones that they have for sale. 6,000. Look like yours, no? This one? This one is like my husband's. Yours is a 68. Baby, which car do you like, huh? Do you like it? So they even have things for sale. They're selling car parts, all kinds of stuff. This is where you should have done car shopping? For what? You're tripping. We just got one. Oh, Dominic.
You did nothing. We're gonna buy it for Dominic today.
For Dominic?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
That's who we're buying for today.
He is not gonna need a car for a long time.
25K.
This one? Have a lot of cars for sale. How much?
Guess.
25.
155,000.
Wow.
Or 100,000 plus trade.
Wow. Why is it so expensive? A brand new car? Yeah, I guess.
I got a Corvette.
Look, baby, there's a car coming. There's a car coming. It's okay. It's a car, baby. Wow, look at that one. That's crazy. And they're selling food over here. Wow. Some more cars.
And then we'll work our way back this way.
To the back. So my husband just got some apple juice. Huh, honey? Drinking apple juice?
Apple cider.
The Chevelle. 70.
32. 327. Full party.
It's okay.
We do it for intakes.
We took him out of the stroller, that way he can walk a little bit, not be sitting the whole time. Good job, baby. And I already changed his diaper too, so he's all clean. Here's some more cars. Still walking. Dominic. This is a nice one. I like this one. Very nice. Still walking. Dominic. There's so many cars out here. Hey, you want funnel cake? Oh, thank you. So I got my funnel cake. It's strawberries and whipped cream, but the whipped cream is pretty much melted because it's so hot over here. And then here is Dominic and my husband. So we are heading home now. We just got in the car. How baby? How baby? ¿Estás bailando? Yeah? Did you have a good time? Looking at all the cars? Yeah? Time to go home.